Meaning of gay.
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 Gay. Gay is a term commonly used to describe a person's sexual orientation, typically meaning someone who is attracted to people of the same gender. The term can also be used more broadly to refer to a culture or community of people who identify as gay or identify with the LGBTQ+ community. While the term has historically been used as a derogatory slur, it has been reclaimed by the LGBTQ+ community and is now widely recognized as a legitimate identity and expression of love and sexuality. Overall, the term gay reflects the diversity and complexity of human sexuality and gender expression.